How to learn Korean. If you're a lazy fuck that sits in the room all day watching
정말 꿈에도 생각을 못했습니다.
Not a lot of you may have a lot of time to put into learning Korean. Or you could just be some lazy that can't get up out of bed. That's why in this video, we're going to be learning the steps it takes into actually learning the Korean language. A curriculum if you will. Watch the full video and by the end of it you'll know what to do to learn Korean. There are tons of videos about learning to read and write in Korean. If you take the time to learn it, you'll realize it's really not that hard. I have a 1.3 grade point average and still falling, and I learned to read in 30 minutes. Did you see where you went wrong? Behind this hot damn human being, you'll see reading material that you didn't even read. If you already know how to read, consistent practice will help you read things as quick as you'd read something in your native language. Watching major ass being kicked and reading at the same time isn't as hard as you think. In K-dramas it could be a building, a name tag, a mug, something will have Hangul on it. Just have your handy-dandy translator to see if you pronounced it right, or almost right. If you learn hello, you can say hello to Korean speakers, or something else, you can say it to people who are speaking to you in Korean.
누구세요? I mean, hello? Who's there? Oh, 알았어. I mean, okay.
There is no place you are safe from me if you do this. Like if you're on the game, or just speaking Korean by yourself. Cause no one wants to hear your amwioya. If you're not practicing with people who can speak Korean, or speaking by yourself, and if you're only showing off your Korean Pod 101 the 100 most common phrases, you're done altogether.
Trish, hold my drink.
The following apps are to help you find friends who are learning, or who want to know your language. Simply put, the grammar structure is not like English. Let's take an example sentence. I like Luna and I like Stray Kids. English is a subject, verb, object language, or SOV. The subject is I in this case because we are talking about what I like, then like is the verb, and Luna is the object we like. We know and is just a transition word, and it transitions into the next thing we like. But in Korean, this is the actual way to say it in Korean. Korean is called an SOV language. A list of all the things you need to learn in Korean if you want to speak fluently by level.
Man, you need to sit your motherfucking ass.
씨발. 근데 조심해. 예전에 내가 아니다.
Understanding will take a minute, but take your favorite K-drama, favorite scene from a movie, and keep replaying it. You can guess what they're saying correctly. Okay, there's a lot of examples, but here are some words. Why, where, who, when, how. Transition words are hard to explain, but here they are. A more in-depth video on transition words may be necessary. If you plan on studying Korean, these are the things you should focus. In order, there may have been something I didn't cover, but feel free to let me know if I missed anything. The last thing is really just motivation. You can't learn if you don't give a fuck, so please get some motivation.